Keeping your YouTube channel a secret. It is a topic that have been on my mind lately, and I'm sure that many of you can relate. With the rise of social media and the constant need to stay connected, it is hard not to wonder whether we should share our creative endeavors with the world or keep them private. When it's come to deciding whether or not to keep your channel private, creators often face a multitude of challenges. On one hand, there is a fear of judgment from others. What if my friends or family don't understand my content or think it is silly? What if strangers criticize me online? This fear can be debilitating, causing many creators to hesitate before hitting that upload button. But on the other hand, there is the impact that keeping your channel private can have on your personal life. Imagine not being able to share your accomplishments with loved ones or struggling to balance your online personal with your everyday life. Now, one of the biggest concerns for creators who wants to keep their channel private is a fear of being discovered. What if someone from your school or workplace stumble upon your channel or content and share it with others? This fear can be especially doubting for those who have authority figures, or colleagues who might not understand their creative pursuit. And then there is a fear of rejection or criticism from those who you care about. It is a hard emotion burden to carry, and it's no wonder many creators choose to keep their channels hidden from the world. Another biggest challenge is the potential impact on your mental health. As creators, we are already prone to self-doubt and anxiety. Adding the pressure of keeping our channel private can be overwhelming. It is hard to shake off the feelings that you are living a double life, and that can take a toll on your well-being. Let's explore the pros and cons of having a secret channel. On the other hand, having a secret channel can give you creative freedom. Without the pressure of external opinions, you can focus on creating content that truly speaks to you. Without worrying about what others might think, you can experiment with different styles, genes, or topics without fear or judgment or criticism. And let's be real, it is liberating to create without having to consider the opinions of others. On the other hand, having a secret channel means limited audience reach. You can't share your content with the world, and that means missing out on potential collaborations, networking opportunities, and even financial gains. You might feel like you are creating in a vacuum with no one to share your accomplishments with. And what is the point of creating content if no one gets to see it? One creator who successfully maintained a secret channel is Lily Shale, also known as a superwoman. For years, she kept her channel private, creating content that was authentic and true to herself. And when she finally decided to share her channel with the world, her authenticity and creativity resonated with millions of people. Her story is a testimony to the power of staying true to oneself, even in the face of uncertainty and fear. Another example is a creator who goes by the name pseudonym of Keshe Impechi. She is a teacher who created a YouTube channel under a pseudonym. keeping it secret from her students and colleagues. Her channel became a sanctuary for her, a place where she could express herself without the fear of judgment or repercussions. Her story shows that even in high stakes professions, it is possible to maintain a secret channel and find creative freedom. Many content creators have successfully maintained secret channel, and their stories are a testimony to the power of creativity and perseverance. Whether you are a seasoned creator or just starting out, the decision to keep your channel private or public is a personal one that requires careful consideration. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of keeping your YouTube channel secret. The decision is never easy, but it is one that is worth considering. So, what do you think? Should you keep your channel a secret or keep it away from your friends or share it to the world? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more tips on building a successful YouTube channel, be sure to check out on my next video. Alright, like this video, comment and share it to friends who you think that this video will be very helpful. Bye bye.